Now, anyone who likes to grill, let's check out this electric grill brush. We got the brush in here. Information in here. Here's the actual brush. Gloves. You can lock it at this angle. Press and twist. Make it straight. You press this and you can adjust the angle. Also, you can twist this part. This is power button. Right here, you would charge it. So I'm gonna charge right now, and then we're gonna be out by the grill testing it out.
I ahead and pre-charged it. Yeah, get some power here, so there we go. Just 2 speeds. Just by pressing the power button here, and you can change the angle. If you need to reach into some corners and whatnot. Okay, had to heat up the grill just a little bit to get some temperature per the instructions, and this Pro Easy off just to break off some of that grease. And go ahead and give this brush a try. So to rotate it, just press the button. All right, round 2, got more degreaser on. I went ahead and scraped the other stuff off, so I want to get a little more deeper clean. All right, so I got it cleaned up. Now I'm just going to put it back, align it. There's clips in here. There's one clip on this side and one clip on that side. And then just push it in, click it, and then make sure this is folded down. And then we're ready to work it again.